How to recover deleted videos from your Android device. First of all, what you need to do is go to Gallery. Once you go to Gallery, you can see the three lines on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and go to Recycle Bin. So, if you have not found any videos, you can just go ahead and tap on Edit, which is over here, and you can see the type of photo or video you have. So once you found the video, you can just go ahead and recover it. So it's quite easy. All you need to do is select the video and then tap on Restore. So once you do that, your video will be restored. So quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on the three dots and tap on Recycle Bin, or you can tap on Videos, and if you want to find the videos, you can just go ahead and click on three lines, go to Recycle Bin, and you can just go ahead and restore the video this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.